Hello, I'm Soar. We will talk about types of TV installation. In this video, there are two types of TV installation. One is called a wall mount, and the other tabletop or stand. First, let's learn about wall-mounted. Wall-mounted TV installation involves securing your TV to a wall using a mounting bracket. Wall-mounted TV can be of many varieties. One is called fixed mount, which keeps the TV flush against the wall with no movement. Secondly, the tilting mount, which allows vertical angle adjustments, useful for reducing glare. And thirdly, the full motion or articulating mount, that lets you swivel and extend the TV in multiple directions. The wall mount can be motorized optionally, however, using a remote control, voice commands, or a smartphone app to adjust the TV position. Let's learn about stand or tabletop on the other hand. A tabletop TV installation involves placing your TV on a stand, cabinet, or entertainment unit using the base component. It is simple that does not require wall mounting products. Most TVs come with a base or two legs that need to be attached. We must ensure that the stand is wider than the TV for proper balance. So these two we have shown you are the installation types. Now, for both these installation types, you will need to plug in the input cables properly, including power cable, HDMI cables, and sound system at the back of the TV, and to make sure to keep cords clean and to avoid tangling. So, this video is about types of TV installation. Like, comment, and subscribe now.